The next step in order to get this Raspberry Pi operational is I need to get a USB mouse and a USB keyboard. Now I don't have those things, everything I have is Bluetooth. I was going to just order a USB mouse and keyboard off Amazon, but I went to the thrift store and I found two for $3 each. I think that's a better deal. Now that I've got a mouse and a keyboard, I'm taking this USB stick, I'm gonna put it in this guy. Goes to that one. It's alive. Okay, now that we've got the Raspberry Pi set up, we're ready to start installing some stuff on it, but we're going to do that in another video, so thank you for watching.